Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm MoneyMarrowTech, back again with another tech review. Today we're going to be diving in to one of the most powerful chargers in the marketplace, Anker. And right here in front of us we have the Anker 548 power bank, known as the Power Core Reverse. So this one is capable of up to 192 watt hours capacity, with an output of wattage of 87 watts. So we're gonna walk through the specs and stuff. You're gonna see if this one is meant for you. This one is a little bit older, but no worry, because I did get the newer one that came out this past week. Came out on September 1st of the month. So I did get the new one, and the reason why I'm reviewing this one now is because once I get done reviewing it and y'all see the video, I'm going to review the newer ones and also going to do a comparison. So would you rather save extra money or rather go all out and get the bigger one? And I'm gonna explain more of that in depth here in a little bit. So go ahead and stay tuned. Go ahead and grab your drinks, popcorn stuff, and let's get into a review. All right guys, so what come in the box, you get your quick start guide. This is in different languages as well. So if you're not from America, there are different languages for you guys as well to read this in. You also get a Type-C to Type-C cord that comes with it. So Type-C, the Type-C that comes with it. And then obviously, of course, the unit itself. I did get the olive green color, and they do have a gray one as well. So real quick, we're gonna walk around there real quick. This is your display. Click it once to show your percentage. Right now it's asking me, do I want to do auto timing and stuff? Right now I'm just gonna push 30 seconds and stuff. So I have to turn the light on, turn it back off real quick, get back to that in a minute. But you click one of the buttons to turn on your display so you can see the battery percentage. Down here is your solar input. As you see right here, you will use a TX60 solar panel to charge it up. Is pretty pricey, so if you want to go that route to use a solar panel and charge it, I will leave a link down below for the prices. But let you know, it's probably going to be double the price of this right here, which I'll explain here in a minute as well, the price for that. Right here you got two Type-C's and two Type-A. As you notice, one port right here is your in and out. So this is where you actually would charge your device up if you plug it, through the wall. And also the last port is also where you would charge your laptop up. So this one right here will give you the max outputage for your, for instance, laptop. So for me, I have a Samsung Book 4, and it takes up to 60 watts. I will use this port to get the most max out of that, and I'll show you that here in a minute. We're going to keep walking around the unit. Right here you got a little reflector emergency glow stick, so once it hit the light or the top of the sun at nighttime, you will light up. Over here you got little vents to keep it cool and let the air out. On the back is empty. Same thing on here side, more vents, and another strip right here. On the bottom, just give you different specs about it, Type-C and Type-A and stuff like that as well, outputage as well. So real quick, you see that real quick. And then back on top, you have this very built proper handle you can carry around and use it with, and it's very braided, it's not going to break anything. And then on the very top of that, you have a light. So it's kind of like a lantern. You pull it out like so, it pops out, and then if you click it once, it will show you the percentage. Click it again, it'll turn on a light. So right now it's on the lowest settings. So real quick, before I continue on, right here is is pretty much calculating how much battery is using. So right now it's showing the light is giving you an output of 2 watts, and this is going to last for 82 hours. So if you don't touch it and don't plug nothing else to it, it will last up to 82 hours. Click it again, make it a little bit brighter. We'll see if it changed. So right now it went up to 3 watts, and see how it dropped down from 82, 83 to 84, 81 now. Sorry, correction, 41, 40 and stuff. So it calculates how much wattage is taken out and give you a general estimate on how long this is going to last and stuff as well. Click it again and turn it off. Over here is your SOS. So this is like for emergencies and stuff. You click it. It will start blinking like so. Click it again, it turns off. So right now I have it plugged in. Right now we're at an average of 91%. I'm gonna plug it up to the Samsung Galaxy S Book 4 Ultra. And as you see, it's pushing out 60 watt. Okay, and it said it would take up to 2 hours and 43 minutes until this battery bank fully dies. But it's pushing out, so now drop it back down, back out, 60 watts. So it's giving the max wattage for what it needs for a laptop. All right, guys, so we'll try something that's less power hungry. Let's try the S24 Ultra. The max power wattage for this one is supposed to be 45 watts. So we'll see if it does that or go less. So there you go, got your little blue circle charging on the very bottom, 31 minutes, 31% to the charge. And we'll see how much is outputting. So right now is at 28 watts, 27 watts, 26, 28, 27, 28. So it's going back between 27 and 28 for output wattage. So like I mentioned before, the end output is really meant for the max wattage for your laptop. So you're still getting a fast charge on your phone, but for the Samsung S24 Ultra, it's not going to be the full 45 watts. But you are getting some percentage. It says overall it's going to take 5 hours and 51 minutes until it's fully charged. But obviously your S24 Ultra or any other item should be charged up way before that. This one says it's estimated to take 1 hour to charge up, so it's not going to be drained by the end of that. Okay, so now what I want to do, as you see, the Samsung S24 is still charging. I want to plug in the Book 4 real quick and see if the output jump up a little bit so if right now this is averaging 28 wattage, and to go to 60, this should bring it to pretty much to the full max. So right now, like I said, it's at 28. We'll see how much wattage will push out now when I plug up the laptop. So right now it's recalculating. There it goes. We're in higher numbers now. We're at 83, 81, 81, 82. All right, so like I said, the max is 87, and right now we are staying strong at 80, 81, between 81 and 80. Now it went down to 78. 2 hours and 20 minutes. That's not too terrible. The phone, let's see if it dropped down wattage for charge. It did a little bit, so it was showing 58 minutes by itself without the computer. So it did gain about another hour, or not an hour, about another. It was showing 57 minutes, so it went up about 4 or 5 minutes, which is not bad. So while we're here, let's go ahead and try the light with the phone and the tablet the phone and computer plugged up. Let's see what happens. So there we go. I'll turn on the light. Right now we're at 73 watts. Okay. Let's go higher. Now we're at a total of 74 watts. 73 one again. And then turn off. Drop down to 70. And we'll slowly unplug one. So let's unplug the phone. It go down to 49 watts. Let's see if it go back up to 60 watts where it's supposed to be at for the charge. 48. Now it's at 78 and stuff. So it's not fully charged, but it is saying that it's only outputting from here 44 watts. So most laptops you need to have that full 60 watt or plus more to have a really good charge and over time, have a really good charge on your laptop over time. And right now it's not outputting that. Okay. Next question people might ask me is, can you plug it up to charge and charge your product at the same time, and will it display it? So real quick, let's test it out. So right now I'm about plugging into my 240 watt power bank over here. So right now it's telling you that's charging. It's giving me an input of wattage of 57 watts. So while we're here, let me go ahead and take out another cord and plug up a phone and see if it still charge it up, and see if the input of the wattage coming from the wall into the device will impact the battery charging to your other item. So right there, I plug it up, super fast charge. It said 53 minutes. Click on here, see if it changed. So it's still giving you the same input into the device of about 57 watts to charge up, and still giving the same output for the phone. All right, guys. So overall, this is not too terrible for most average, maybe for most of consumers who probably buy this will probably be buying this for small trips and stuff. I know a lot of people in the military will love this item right here, especially back in them days where you had to go to the field and you had no power source. It will definitely come handy for power source and light and stuff. The reason why I didn't test the A chargers, the type on USB type A, is because they're only going to output 20 watts. So I already know that for a fact. Most technology nowadays are using type C, but they do offer up to 20 watt chargers on charge. I don't have a solar panel to plug it up. Sorry. Those are kind of pricey and stuff, and kind of high out of a price range, and pretty much double the price of the item. Overall, guys, this is not a bad product. I did get this off of Amazon, so I will leave a link down below. I did get this for a discount price on Amazon. It originally is $149. However, on Amazon, they're offering a $30 coupon. So pretty much dropping it down about $30. So you're going to pay about $110-ish overall. Like I mentioned before, it does come in two colors, green and gray. I'll let you know my pointers of this. Well, I took from this is I like that it has a display where it pretty much to tell you that, hey, you plug up your phone, you're going to get 5 days out of it, or 5 hours out of it. Even though our phones nowadays are advanced and you can fast charge it within an hour, it still display the wattage coming out of the power bank into your phone. I like the fact that it shows the wattage leaving here, going to the laptop. I like that it comes built in future a light. That's just clutch. That's smart idea for Anker to do that, to include a light in there. That's just a smart deal. I like the fact that you can charge it as well via solar panel if you're not by a reliable power source. That's very awesome to have as well. Like I said, if you got the money to pay, double the price for the solar panel, but it's there if you want to. Every time, if you ever want to invest in it, you're more welcome to. But overall, not a bad product. Once again, I will leave everything down below. I will leave the solar panel down there too if you're interested in buying that as well. But I definitely would say yes to this one, and I will be doing a video on the bigger brother here soon. So go ahead, like and comment on if you think the bigger brother is going to beat this out of the water, or do you think I should do a bigger brother versus little brother video on the two items and questions. Go ahead, like and comment, subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.